in this question, you have a probability for people shopping online is 0.35. Now, here you don't know how many customers are there. So it is given that n customers, and we need to find out this n. So x follows binomial with n, which is unknown, but the probability of success is known that it is 0.35. Then they have given that the probability that at least one of them. Now, what is this at least one? Probability x more than or equal to 1. How do we find probability x more than or equal to 1? This is 1 minus probability x less than 1, right? Less than 1 is just one value, and that is nothing but probability x is equal to 0. How do we find probability x is equal to 0? According to binomial formula, it's nc0 p raised to 0 q raised to n minus 0. So therefore, even though we don't know this value of n, nc0 will be 1. P raised to 0 is 1 because anything raised to 0 is 1. And q raised to n minus 0. How we are going to write q raised to n minus 0? P is 0.35. So what is q? This is 0.65. So we will get 0.65 raised to n. So obviously we will not be able to get the exact value if we have this as unknown. The n is unknown. But we have a probability given that this is greater than 0.95. So this particular value is greater than 0.95. All the steps are not required, but I'm just explaining you. So I'm writing all the steps. So 1 minus 0.65 raised to n is more than 0.95. Now 0.95, if we take on this side, I'll get 0.95, which is subtracted from 1 minus 1, and I will get 0.65 raised to n here. Now 1 minus this will give me 0.05. This is more than 0.65 raised to n. I need to find out this value n. So I'm going to take log both sides. When you apply log both sides, you'll get, we will be using ln from the calci, okay? 0.65 raised to n. With the log property, you will be able to get this n over here. And so I will get ln of 0.05 is more than n times ln of 0.65. This value is negative. If you can just put it on your calci and check, this value is negative. We need to divide by this value so that I will be able to keep n over here. When we divide by the negative value, according to the properties that we have seen in inequality, this sign would change. So when I divide by ln of 0.65, my sign would be changed. It would be reversed. Now put this into your calci, ln of 0.05 upon ln of 0.65. You will get value 6.95 is more than n. Now, which all values will satisfy this equation? I mean this inequality. 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. All this will satisfy this, that they will be more than 6.95. The question asked to you is find the least possible value of n. So out of all these things that satisfies this inequality, which is the least of all? It is 7. So your answer is 7. I hope this is clear to you.